Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you what to do when your Oculus Quest won't turn on. So, I've had my Oculus Quest for about a day, and my Oculus Quest was a gift. I did not have any prior experience with the Oculus Quest system or anything of such, and I just got it from a friend as a gift. So, I've been having so much trouble with this, but MetaQuest service has been very, very helpful for tech support. So, it couldn't get it turned on at all. This is how I found out that something was broken. So you're going to open your Oculus, open my Oculus Quest to open my phone. And right here, it told me, hey, your MetaQuest isn't charged. Me thinking, the fuck? I've had it on the charger for a whole entire day. Why isn't it charging? So here comes the trick to get it to work again. This is what I did to get it to work. So what I did was I disattached this from the power box, and then I put this back in, and I just grabbed it and I shoved it in there hard till it went just kept it on there just really hard and just stabilized it. And then now the light, it be blinky, it be on. Now the light works. So if you can see that this is a red, I don't know how it's showing up on my camera, but it says a red light. If this shows up, that means that your Oculus is charging. So if you have a red light, so you're successfully charging your Oculus. Congratulations. Hope this helped.